My name is Lilibeth.
And now I'm Jazmin.
Today we will be talking about factoring polynomials. Steps to solving binomials.
First, you factor equation back to the problem. Example, x squared minus 25. First, it has to be a perfect square. It has to be the opposite sign. For example, x squared plus 25. It's not opposite of x squared because x squared is positive and 25 is positive. So you can't factor it.
Here are some examples.
X squared minus 25. So you write x in both parentheses because it says x squared. So parentheses x and then parentheses times parentheses x and then parentheses. Then the square root of 25 is 5. So then write 5 in each one. So parentheses x space 5 parentheses times parentheses x space 5. Then you have to put a negative or a positive in each one. It doesn't really matter because either way you'll end up with negative 25. So I decided to put it parentheses x plus 5 parentheses times parentheses x minus 5. That's your answer. If you want to, you can check it. Here are some problems you can try. 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. The second problem is x squared plus 5x minus 6.
Check the problem.
Let's say you have x squared minus 25 and you get parentheses x plus 5 parentheses x minus 5. The way to check it is to do this. Parentheses x plus 5 parentheses x plus 5. You times x times x and you get x squared. Then 5 times x equals 5x. Then negative 5 times x equals negative 5x. So you can automatically cancel negative 5x and 5x. And that equals 0. Then you multiply 5 times negative 5. It equals negative 25. And that's how you do it.
Trinomials. Steps to factoring trinomials. Factoring trinomials. When you factor it, you have to look for common numbers and exponents. Example, 5x squared plus 16x plus 3. When you factor, use parentheses. Parentheses x plus 5 times parentheses x plus 3. You FOIL, which would end up being 5x squared, 5x plus 15x plus x plus 3, which would be 5x plus 16x plus 5. What FOIL stands for. You have to use FOIL to help you solve the equations. Here's what FOIL stands for. First, outer, inner, last. Examples using FOIL.
So let's say you have a problem, 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. So you have 2x. So 2 goes into each one. And you have x. Then if you multiply 2x times x, you get 2x squared. So that's right. So then you put it all out and you get 2x minus 1, x minus 5. Then when you multiply together to check it, you get 2x squared minus 10x minus 1x plus 5. Then you simplify and put it all together and you get 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. That's how you check it with trinomials. The second problem is yx minus 5y plus 6. So you put y in each one because it says y squared. So y and y. And then you times it together so you get yx, and then you get the 2 because 2, and then you times it together, which you get y squared minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. Then when you simplify it all out, you get y squared minus 5y plus 6.
Try your own problems. Parentheses 4x plus 6 times parentheses x plus 2. Parentheses 6x plus 1 times parentheses 2x plus 1.
The third problem, 2x minus 5, x minus 4. the fourth problem, 5x minus 3 and x minus 2. So try those problems on your own and see what you get.
That was the end of our slideshow. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understood the lesson. Bye.